Hello from SnoreLessNow, and welcome to our guide on the Somnofit-S Anti-Snore Mouth Guard replacement straps. In this video, we'll show you what the Somnofit-S replacement straps are, how to use them, and answer some frequently asked questions. Let's get started. The Somnofit-S package comes with 5 adjustable straps that connect the upper and lower splints of your mouth guard. Unlike traditional anti-snoring mouth guards that use a rigid notch system, the Somnofit-S straps allow for greater comfort, breathability, and precise adjustability. Each strap is labeled number 1 through number 5, representing incremental jaw adjustments of 1.5 millimeters as the number increases. Before attaching the straps, you'll notice they're connected. Use scissors to carefully separate them. If you haven't molded the upper and lower splints to your teeth yet, check the link in the description for our Somnofit-S Molding guide. Once molded, you're ready to attach the straps. For most users with a standard bite, start with number 3 or number 4. For an underbite, start with number 5. For an overbite, start with number 1. If the strap causes discomfort, remember that some users experience an adjustment period of up to 3 weeks. Let's attach the straps to the splints step by step. 1. Identify the splints. The upper splint has a single peg in the center. The lower splint has 2 pegs on either side. 2. Check the strap orientation. Ensure the strap's numerical value is upright. The side with protruding ends should face away from the splints. 3. Attach the strap to the upper splint. Turn the strap sideways and place it on the peg of the upper splint. Rotate the strap clockwise to secure it. It may look like an airplane propeller. 4. Attach the strap to the lower splint. Repeat the same sideways placement and rotation process for both pegs on the lower splint. Now your Somnofit-S is ready to use. If you have any trouble with the steps above, please don't hesitate to reach out to our support email at support@SnoreLessNow.com, where we can give you personal step-by-step instructions to ensure your success. Now let's get into some frequently asked questions. Question number 1. I'm experiencing discomfort with my current strap size. What should I do? Answer. If your current strap is causing discomfort, try downgrading to a lower strap size. Remember, the straps become more aggressive as the number increases. Number 5 is the most aggressive, while number 1 is the least. For first-time users, starting with a number 1 or number 2 strap can be a great way to ease into using the Somnofit-S comfortably. As you adjust, you can gradually increase to higher strap sizes if needed. Question number 2. How often should I replace my straps? Answer. The straps are designed to last as long as your Somnofit-S, typically a year or more. However, habits like teeth grinding can wear them out faster or reduce their effectiveness. A good sign it's time to replace your strap is if you notice an increase in snoring after previously experiencing a reduction with the same strap. Question number 3. Will the straps prevent me from opening or closing my mouth while using the Somnofit-S? Answer. Not at all. The straps are designed to enhance comfort, adjustability, and customization to fit your unique needs. When properly fitted, the Somnofit-S allows you to open and close your mouth, talk, and even drink water while wearing it. Did we miss any questions that you might have? Leave a comment below so that our team of experts can answer them for you. If you found this video helpful at all, please consider liking it and sharing.